So hello YouTube. Today I ordered this mouse from Jiomart. For the first time I purchased something from Jiomart, and you can see price over here is 250 rupees on official website. But on Jiomart I got it something around 100 rupees only. So I was surprised to have something, even though this is a wired mouse, but this is a USB optical mouse. So this will do its job, but I'm surprised how it can be so cheap, and it's not that bad brand. It's a Zebronic. So here is the box. Let's quickly do the unboxing. So you will get something like this packaging. So my sole purpose to to buy this thing was as a backup, because the price was super cheap. So we should have some mouse for backup. Packaging seems to be good. Let me grab a knife. So here is the mouse. Here is the invoice. It's pack piece. Manufactured in 2022 July. Not bad. Okay, so MRP is 249. Let me quickly open it. So this is the mouse. This is something like terms and conditions, your manual. I don't think they provide any warranty on this. So this is how the mouse looks like. It's pretty small. But does the job. Let me quickly connect it. So this is the cable length, 1.2 meters. You can see it's pretty good length. Okay, so it has light inside. Okay, I tested right click, left click, both are working. Okay, left click working, right click is working as well. Scroll ball also working. Awesome. So scroll bar is a little rough. Let me show you if you can hear something. It's pretty lightweight and you will feel it's cheap. The build quality is not that great. It's very lightweight. I don't know how long it will last, but it has some brand. That's why I took the risk. It's okay for 100 rupees. I'm pretty happy. So this was my honest review. And trust me, guys, Jiomart can be trusted because I think they are promoting their website. And on this, such a silly purchase I had done of very small amount, still I got free delivery. So I recommend Jiomart for sure. So first three orders you will get free delivery. You can go through COD as well. I'm really happy. We'll buy a couple of more things from Jiomart again. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Live loud.